guys, so today I'm going to show you guys the legit check for this Nike Air Force One that's collaborate with Travis Scott. So let's go ahead and check on these shoes real quick. As you can see, the lace on the tip, it's the tip on the lace is like a dark grayish color, and you got this chrome finish Nike swoosh logo. There are 4 of the Nike swoosh logo that you could remove with the Velcro, and this is like a beige off-white color all around it. And this is where I show you guys all the Nike swoosh. There are 2 extra sets, and the other one, the one on top, is like a fire flame with a 3-dimension effect. So even though the copy one or the replica will come with this Velcro, and this is where I show you guys on how to take it out and then put it on the Nike swoosh. So I'm gonna put this like a reflective, not like a metallic finish. It turns like a different color, greenish, yellow, gold, silver like. Depends what angle you tilt it. It reflects the different colors and stuff like that. And then gonna take out the other one, the one with the flame, and then we'll slap it on here and then let you guys check it out. So this one, my son got this for $150. It was I did get my hands on it because I kind of woke up a couple of minutes later, or jump on it a couple of minutes later. So he was on time and on task this time. So here we go. Let's go ahead and do the legit check. I'm going to turn on the LED flash on my camera. All right, and be careful what you're looking at. You see on the front of the toe box is like a reflective pink, and around the eye stay or around the lace system, it is in light sky blue. And then around the side of it is like a yellow stripe, and then toward the back near the Nike swoosh, it is like a light greenish color. This is where I pointed out all the different colors. And then on the lace, instead of a dark gray, when you turn on it become a 3M reflective. It's almost like a silver color. And on the back of the heel cup, it is thicker blue. And around the tongue, top of the tongue, where the tag's at, it is like a pinkish color. This is where I'm going to show you guys the inner tab. And then this is the other shoes. I'm trying to show you guys a comparison. Should look all the same. So this is where all the reflected, and then it shows different accents of the color tones. Got the front box is pink, blue, the bluish, and then yellow, and then the light green. So be sure to watch out and then turn on the lights so you can see all the different colors. One of the YouTuber is showing all the pink color instead of mixture of all these colors, so you know the other pairs are fake. And this is where I show you guys there is like a snap. You can snap it on with the buttons right there to put on this patch. So on the left shoe it says Cactus Jack, or depends where you look at. This is the right side of your shoes, and it says Cactus Jack, and then on the other one is just a sad face or something. Alright, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell for notification, and drop in your comments on below. And this is how you legit check your Travis Scott Nike Air Force One low top. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Peace.